Hello YouTube friends, it's Tiago, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 convenient ways to back up your data. Now the first place that I'm going to recommend is the cloud. Cloud backup services allow you to back up your data without any physical equipment, and they also give you access to your data anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. If you move from workplace to workplace, cloud backup services are excellent because they'll give you the freedom to move around without having to carry SD cards or external hard drives. Items such as SD cards and external hard drives could easily be lost or stolen when traveling, and because of the risk involved, using cloud backup services could be more beneficial. Now the downside to cloud backup services is they can be quite expensive. Plus your cloud backup account could be hacked. But if you have the cash and you're comfortable with the very low risk of being hacked, they're going to be very suitable. If you are worried about being hacked, then you can encrypt your data, which is highly recommended. Now the second thing I'm going to recommend is SD cards. The great thing about SD cards is they are really small and compact. They are easy to carry around, plus they can hold loads of data. SD cards are now relatively cheap, which means that virtually anyone can get their hands on them. SD cards are compatible with most computing devices, such as desktops, laptops, and smartphones, allowing users to seamlessly and effortlessly transfer data. So, what is the downside? Well, they are very tiny, so could easily be lost, and they can be stolen fairly easily too. With all backup equipment, encrypting your data in case of theft is important. So, if you do have an SD card or get one, ensure you encrypt your files. The final thing that I'm going to recommend is external hard drives. External hard drives are quite chunky, but they're useful, as they can carry more data than SD cards and are cheaper than cloud backup services. External hard drives can also be harder to break than SD cards, as they tend to have tough outer shells or protective casing. External hard drives are generally used to back up vast quantities of data stored on desktop computers and laptops, and they are still a favorite amongst most people. So, once again, what's the downside? Well, they're quite big in comparison to USB sticks and SD cards, and also more expensive. Still though, if you have a desktop computer or laptop and you don't really want to spend a lot, they are going to be your best backup alternative. Now you may be asking yourself why I didn't mention USB sticks. I'm not going to recommend USB sticks in this video, as I don't really see any use for them. I'd much rather carry around an SD card. SD cards are cheaper and lighter and store about the same amount of data. I haven't used a USB stick for a very, very long time. Now, if you're interested in cloud backup services, SD cards, or external hard drives, see the links below this video. Also, if this video has been helpful to you, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk again soon.